AI is everywhere now. It writes blogs, sends invoices, and might start making lattes next. But which ones actually make your business faster? So in this video, we'll focus on the reliable tools that simplify how you run your business from day one. So if you're serious about scaling without the chaos, then you're in the right place. Hi everybody, and welcome back to Website Planet, where we turn complex tech into simple, useful solutions. Stack 1, launch online fast, Squarespace and Wix. When you're starting or rebranding, your website is the front door of your business. And if that door takes weeks to build, then you're already losing customers. That's where the new generation of AI site builders comes in. Rather than just throwing templates at you, they build around your goals. Squarespace is the most polished example right now. Its Beacon AI feature acts like a mini creative partner. You tell it what your business does, and it generates page layouts, text, and even image prompts. You can tweak everything in real time, keeping your branding consistent across all pages. And this thing is fast, clean, and it doesn't need a developer hovering over it. It goes beyond design. Beacon AI also helps with SEO and content optimization, suggesting headlines and meta descriptions that actually match what people are searching for. For most small businesses, it's the quickest path to a professional-looking and well-performing site. If you want more creative control though, Wix AI Website Builder is a strong alternative. It works through a simple chat, so you describe your business, pick a few design styles, and it generates a complete website, copy, images, and layout included. Once it's live, you can then ask questions like which page gets the most visitors or what's driving the most sales right inside its analytics dashboard. And that's where its built-in AI really hits it out of the park. You gain all of the insights without having to dig through numbers on your own. Now, between these two, Squarespace wins on polish and simplicity, while Wix gives you more flexibility if you want to customize everything. Either way, you can launch a professional website in hours instead of weeks, and both have the AI smarts to keep improving over time. If you want a quick walkthrough of turning an idea into a working layout with AI, then you can watch our fast step-by-step demo on it. Stack 2 is leads marketing or CRM. Getting traffic is one thing, but turning it into paying customers is where most businesses stall. That's where AI-powered CRMs and marketing tools start to earn their keep. Let's start with Odoo because it's quietly becoming the all-in-one workhorse for small businesses. First of all, everything sits under one roof: CRM, invoicing, website, email, and even HR. Inside Odoo, you can use AI to score leads, generate follow-up emails, and even draft invoices automatically. The system learns from your workflow and starts predicting what needs your attention next. Need a quick sales report? Just type "show me top customers this month," and it spits out a full breakdown, charts included. For smaller teams that hate juggling multiple subscriptions, Odoo is the definition of efficiency. If your business leans more on content and inbound marketing, HubSpot AI is a powerhouse as well. It helps you write blogs, landing pages, and emails that sound like you and not a robot. Its ChatSpot assistant can even pull CRM insights in plain English, like how many leads came from Facebook last week. And the best part is how everything ties together. One click takes you from draft to publish to analytics. Okay, but now let's talk glue. No matter which tools you use, you'll need something that connects all of them, and that's Zapier. Its new AI Copilot makes automation almost too easy. You just tell it what you want, like add new form submissions to Odoo and send me a Slack ping, and it builds the workflow for you. That means no coding or clicking through 50 different menus, just tell it what needs to happen and it handles the rest for you. Together, these three tools form a complete customer engine. Odoo runs your back end, HubSpot attracts your leads, and Zapier keeps the two in sync with each other. Once they're in place, your marketing and CRM basically run themselves. Now, if your homepage isn't converting in the first 5 seconds, then fix that next. We have a short tutorial that shows exactly what you need to change. Stack 3 is e-commerce growth. Selling online used to mean building everything by hand: the store, payments, inventory, the whole deal. Now with the right AI tools, you can launch a store faster than it takes to finish your morning coffee. Shopify is still the go-to if you want to sell online without a tech headache. And its new AI store builder and Sidekick assistant make the setup ridiculously smooth. You type in what you're selling and it builds a complete storefront, product pages, layout, and descriptions ready to go. And if you need changes, just ask Sidekick things like add a summer discount banner or rewrite my product copy for SEO, and it does it instantly. That's the kind of automation that actually feels like magic when you're on a deadline. And once your store is running, design becomes your next bottleneck because products don't sell without visuals that actually pop. Well, that's where Canva Magic Studio comes in. It can generate product shots, add creatives, and social posts from simple text prompts. You can even bulk create variations for different platforms on the go. So if you've ever wasted hours resizing images, then this is your shortcut to staying consistent across every channel. Then there's the boring but critical part, money management. QuickBooks now has Intuit Assist, an AI that helps you track income, automate invoices, and even flag unusual expenses. Instead of staring at spreadsheets, you can literally ask, what's my cash flow for the month, and get a full summary in seconds. And when it comes to payments and fraud protection, Stripe Radar quietly does the heavy lifting for you. It uses AI to spot suspicious transactions before they hit your account, which means fewer chargebacks and safer sales. Together, this stack covers every part of e-commerce. It's fast, scalable, and doesn't crumble the moment you start growing. And if you're still comparing platforms for your store, then this breakdown of Shopify versus the field will help you decide faster. Stack 4 is Team Ops, Docs, and Workabout Work. Every team has that invisible workload, the constant status updates, meeting notes, and just checking in messages that eat up entire afternoons. Now, AI can't replace teamwork, but it can clean up the noise that slows everyone down. So let's start with ClickUp and its built-in AI assistant, ClickUp Brain. This handles all the small stuff, summarizing long threads, updating project statuses, even writing follow-up notes after meetings. You can ask it to summarize yesterday's client call or draft an update for this task, and it just does it for you. It's fast, accurate, and it actually understands context, which most AI assistants still struggle with these days. Then there's Notion AI, which has quietly turned into one of the best personal and team knowledge tools around. It lets you search and chat across the entire workspace, things like notes, wikis, project pages, and get instant answers. Instead of scrolling through a dozen pages, you can ask, what's our latest pricing update, or where's the client onboarding checklist, and it pulls all of it up in seconds. For small teams that live inside Notion, that is a complete game changer. If your team already lives inside Google or Microsoft's ecosystem, then their AI layers are worth exploring as well. Google Workspace Gemini now adds smart replies, AI summaries, and data insights right inside Docs and Sheets. Microsoft 365 Copilot brings the same magic to Word, Excel, and Teams, automatically generating reports, slides, and recaps. Both tools feel natural because they work inside apps your team already uses daily. Together, this stack takes the busy work off your plate, and the result is fewer meetings, faster decisions, and a team that actually gets work done instead of just talking about it. Stack 5 is customer support. Customer support is usually the first thing that breaks down when a business starts growing. Tickets pile up, responses slow down, and your team ends up answering the same 5 questions all day. AI support tools are finally solving that problem and doing it without making customers talk to a robot that doesn't get it. Intercom Fin is one of the best examples right now. It uses your existing knowledge base and chat history to answer customer questions instantly, and it actually sticks to your tone of voice. And if a question is too complex, it can hand it over to a real agent with a full summary of the conversation. That means your team can spend more time solving new problems instead of repeating the same answers. Zendesk AI does something similar, but at a larger scale. It can analyze every incoming ticket, figure out intent, and route it to the right person automatically. It also drafts replies for your agents, summarizes long conversations, and highlights what the customer actually cares about. Zendesk AI is basically a 24/7 teammate that doesn't get tired. And if you're running a smaller setup or just starting to scale, then Freshworks Freddy AI gives you much of that power at a lower cost. It can suggest answers, flag customer sentiment, and handle repetitive queries without requiring a full-time support team. If you're already using Wix, its new AI Site Chat is another smart way to boost customer service directly on your website. It lives right on your pages, answers common questions instantly, recommends products or services, and can even help visitors book appointments. You can train it on your site's actual content and customize the tone so it sounds like your brand, not a generic bot. It's an easy win for small businesses that want to give a fast, accurate answer without without being glued to the inbox all day. These tools all follow one rule. They only work as well as the knowledge that you feed them. So before turning them on, clean up your FAQs and update your help center. Because the thing is, the smarter your base content, the better results you'll get. Once it's set up, you'll see faster replies, happier customers, and a support team that can finally breathe again. So AI isn't necessarily about replacing people, it's about cutting the clutter so you can focus on what actually moves your business forward. And now you've got the tools to do exactly that. Squarespace and Wix help you launch faster. Odoo, HubSpot, and Zapier keep your leads and workflows running smoothly. Shopify, Canva, QuickBooks, and Stripe make selling and managing money effortless, and the rest keep your team organized and your customers happy. But before you start signing up, just remember one thing: keep your stack small and secure. Check how each tool handles your data and only automates what you understand. The best AI setup is the one that quietly saves you time every single day. If you want to see how to actually connect these tools and build automations that save hours per week, then check out our companion video. It's linked right here and down in the description below. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.